Hey guys, Mongo here. Quick update on the Pulse Chain ecosystem. Starting with Ink. Ink is pumping. I've been saying it for a while. You guys are sleeping on it. I'm treating this more like a meme coin. I took my profits from Teddy Bear and I took my profits from Atropa and I rolled them back into Ink and PLSX. So there's no reason not to. It has the most potential. It is a gamble, sure, like any meme coin, but it's got so much potential on the upside. It's just silly. Literally at the bottom, it hasn't moved like everything else, and when it does move, it moves in heaps. So small market cap, 121 million. Yes, it's a reward token. You can treat it like a mining coin where they're going to dump it over time, but I think the average person is like me, and they're going to hold this like speculatively. They're going to mine the crap out of it and wait till we're at least up to the 236, if not higher, to start dumping this thing. So keep in mind, we have a long way to run. My target currently is $7, so 706 to be exact, so 48%. Look at this. The 236 is way up here at 300%. So sure, some people will rotate the profits from 300% into the more main coins, so which would be PLS and PLSX, which you should. But I mean, look, this thing could run 535% to the 382. You're looking at to the 0.5 fib. You're looking at 730%. 0.6, you're looking at 928% at $50 basically. 786, you're all the way up here at 1,200%. And let's say you go parabolic. You're up here at the 1618 is sitting at 2,500. Let me rotate this over. My apologies. Yeah, so you're looking at the 2618 is coming in like 4,000%. Ridiculous. And if you did a moon boy shot for any reason, and if you did the calculations, even like this 10618, I took that off. Moved it up to the 4. Like I think I did the 10618 calculation. It's still a small market cap, like $6 billion. And in this market, you're going to see what I mean. That used to be big in the last market cycle, but $6 billion is going to be kind of small in this one. So to the top of this, so the 4236, you're looking at 7,600%. So it's a joke, but not really. I really think that potentially Ink could outperform everything. So everyone's joking that what's coin in the Richard Hart ecosystem is going to make the most gains, and it could be Ink. And that's good because it's rewarding people for taking advantage of farming. So the PLSX farm, we need people in that to maintain the stability within the ecosystem and able to buy and sell. So it's a healthy ecosystem maintenance idea. So brilliant. So off to the next one. PLS is doing well. I still have my measured move in the near term of 2546, currently sitting at 1590. That is a 60% move. So people are finally getting it and getting attention to the ecosystem. So let's draw this guy down. Move over to the daily, actually. Give you an idea. So once we clear like the 618 here shortly, it's going to be a run. There's not too much in terms of order blocks above the 618, the resistance levels. You're going to have some people sure sell kind of like anything else just to get out of the ecosystem. But I think once you see this thing start to go parabolic, they're not going to sell anything too much later. But the 1618 is what I'm targeting. Is looking at 180, 182% wise. 2618 is up here at 345%. 3618, you're over here at 500%, and then we can go higher after that. But still, my lower end, my realistic expectation, I'll just keep scrolling down, is 3/4 of a penny, right? So where's a penny? There's a penny. So let's go back a little bit. Right about in there. 2 zeros and a 7.5. It's 4,700% roughly. It's kind of what I'm targeting in the next 18 months. So we'll see where that goes. If it hits a penny, it's even better. But I think a sub-penny price is still good. If you do the math, it still calculates out to be a decent market cap without being anything ridiculous. I think one of my earlier videos broke it down based on what's a $60 billion market cap, what's a $100 billion market cap, it gave you price. All right, so that's PLS. Moving over to PLSX. From today's price to my breakout target of 10, you're going to drop a 0. So you're going to drop a 0 and you're going to get a 10 of 5.2 from current price of 4 zeros and a 6.329, which will be 68%. It's same with the other ones. Let me give you on the daily, give you some kind of fib targets. This one had more of an exaggerated cup and handle pattern. Everything else is flat today, but ink is up quite a bit. So I'll get to that in a second. So getting to that again is 67%, which is right above the last line. Well, the last line of the sand is right above the 786. So that's the last order block. That's going to be anything of value. That's coming in at 78%. The all-time high is up here at 124%. And then it's blue sky territory we're going to run. So once you get up here running, we're looking at the 1618 at 257%. 2618 up at 464, and the 3618 running in at around 675. Thanks, guys. Nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. I'm going to come find me. Head over to Crypto Blackwall on Twitter and the Blockguard Discord. Thanks.